It isn't every day a few PDF pages shake the stock market, but that's exactly what just happened. On a quiet morning, two Google researchers posted a paper. No keynote, no product launch, no surprise reveal from Jensen Huang, no dramatic OpenAI announcement, just a paper describing an algorithm called Turboquants. By the next morning, the market noticed. Memory names felt it first. Micron slid, Western Digital slipped, billions gone in a single session. The AI bottleneck isn't thinking, it's remembering. Every chat adds pages to an AI's short-term notebook. Engineers call it the KV cache, AI's working memory, and that notebook lives in the most expensive place, GPU memory. As conversations grow, memory costs explode. So the industry buys more GPUs, more HBM, more everything. That's why top models don't run on your laptop. Yet. Turboquants suggests a different path. Do more with less memory. So Wall Street repriced the future overnight. Because sometimes smarter math beats bigger metal. From Gemini to GPT, Grok to Anthropic, everyone feels this shift. Compressing the notebook sounds simple. Old tricks saved space, but added baggage. Extra tables, extra structures, extra latency. Minutes of setup is forever in real-time AI. Fast and short or slow and long. No perfect option. Turboquants starts with a reframing. Instead of X and Y, think distance and direction. Distance must be exact. Direction can be approximate. Angles cluster into patterns, perfect for compression. Store a small set of common directions, not every micro-angle. Compression adds tiny rounding errors. If those all lean one way, they drift. Turboquants fixes that with 1 bit per value. It cancels drift without adding bulk. Amit Zand and Vahab Mirakni, Google Research. These ideas echo from Mountain View to Redmond. OpenAI and Anthropic track every efficiency leap. XAI, Grok, pushing toward AGI with leaner memory. Even Microsoft's research stack explores smarter math. And NVIDIA tunes hardware where software gets smarter. The question is on the table. Turboquants makes it urgent. Tested on NVIDIA H100s, the industry's workhorse. Up to 8 times faster on key memory ops. 6-fold memory savings, down to about 3 to 3.5 bits per value, versus the old 16 or 32. With zero accuracy loss on major tests. They hid one fact in 104,000 tokens, about 300 pages. The compressed model found it every single time. Validated across open-source models. Llama, Mistral, strong across tasks. Q&A, summarization, code generation, and setup that's orders of magnitude faster. People already report 35B models with big context on a Mac. Power that used to need a server room. Moves closer to your devices, hence the sell-off in memory stocks. Less memory needed. Fewer chips sold. Spending shifts from hardware to smarter algorithms. Everyone, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, XAI, NVIDIA, Anthropic, will adapt fast. First, much longer, more coherent conversations. Whole email archives distilled to action items. Legal cases, fully cross-referenced in one session. Codebases debugged with full context. Second, powerful AI shifts closer to you. Private, fast, even offline. Third, markets reprice the hardware race. Every AI interaction gets cheaper to run. For years, the answer was, buy more hardware. Turboquant says, try smarter math. Still, we need broad validation and real-world trials. Hardware will adapt too. The full impact unfolds over months and years. No hype, just a paper, and the market moved. For users, more capable, more accessible, cheaper. Not just bigger centers, smarter algorithms. A landmark step toward AI that remembers more, with far less. You've been watching. I'm Andrew. See you in the next one.